This is actually the cleanest setup for an Apple MagSafe charger I have ever seen. If you're tired of your charging cable sliding off the desk every single time you unplug your phone, you need to see this. I 3D printed this weighted base to turn a standard MagSafe puck It's a simple fix, but it completely changes the workflow at my desk. No more fishing for cables under the bed or behind the nightstand. It fits the official Apple charger with zero wiggle room. Tag someone who needs better cable management.